Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to live stream on Facebook. So first of all you need to visit on your Facebook account. As you can see, this is my Facebook account, and on this window this is my home page, and on this over here you can see like live video option. You need to click on live and you need to click on over here like go live, and once you click on go live and you will be redirected to on this page, and on this page you will see two options like webcam or streaming software. Okay, so you need to click on streaming software, and on this window you can see this is your streaming key. So you need to copy this key, and now you need to open your OBS Studio, and over here you can see this is my OBS Studio. And now you can need to click on clear like settings, and once you click on setting you need to open this streaming option, and over here you can see your streaming key. You just need to paste over here like paste, and you need to click on apply, and once you click on apply just simply click on OK. And now over here you need to click on start streaming. Okay, without click on start streaming you cannot start your live streaming, and you need to click on start streaming, and once you get this like green color, like you can see over here my streaming is started from my OBS Studio. Now we need to go to on Facebook, and over here you can see on the left side of your window connect video source is complete. Now click on complete post details. Now you need to enter your post title and which type of video you want to like go with live. Like I want to play GTA 5 and gameplay, so this is my title and gameplay, and over here I want to give some description and all. Let's save it, and now you can see my two options is complete. Now click on go live, and once you click on go live you will see there is one more button available in the bottom side like go live, and once we click on go live, as you can see over here my window preview is available right now over here, and you just need to simply click on go live, and that's it. By clicking on go live you will be live on your Facebook account, and by using this method you can easily go live by using streaming software, or you can say OBS Studio. Okay, so this is the video, and hopefully you get all the points. If yes, please hit the like button, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.